So this is pretty much the first time I've ever seen anybody build a spliff from scratch. So which part, where are the right? So that's how you see them?
You see them. Take out the wood.
The stick.
Put the stick them aside, then you can sticky them. And we don't burn them.
Yeah.
We burn these buds, you know.
So that would be like a regular local Jamaican one?
This?
Yeah.
This herb?
Yeah.
Man, I agree with you, man. I pick them off, you know, the body big, you know.
Okay.
And that's what them fine, man.
So, I normally see people like have cigarette too.
This is
No put the cigarette tobacco in there as well?
Yes, man. Me always put in mental. Them a cigarette I'm smoking. Then me put in mental. Full mental. And then the African smoke when they come here, all 10, 20 pack to blood clot. It ain't good. Blood clot, it's not good. Run down me mash up my phone last night. Boy, I quite love you so much. The girl say, one day,
I want man tired.
he might go rich. And he not have to do nothing.
Yeah.
The same man. And here the girl tell me, can me tell, and say, tell me, say, you know, he might go get a bunch of that money, you know. That time in the room. And I tell him, where I go on? He say, really? Oh dear, Mokko, it come to pass. I never know that. Me did I go get it. Me don't know what. But he's not doing any work anymore. He quit work. I'm Mokko, you quit work, what? Carry money come. Carry money come, just quit work. Work, woman have man.
Two different buttons. The one you have and this.
Long time I got all them. I'm supposed to that. You saying grabber, yeah?
Yeah, me always hear people talk about grabber. What is grabber?
Tobacco.
Oh!
Tobacco.
So what, it kind of glue the weed? Oh, explain. What the grabber really do?
It build up the taste, you know?
Oh.
When the taste come up, make it nicer, you know? But when you want to feel high, you put a piece of macaroni in them and they come like you go fly.
Alright guys, so for me to pretty much do a video like this, I think it's very, how can I say, consistent to Jamaican culture. Like, you know, when I work with people, especially from the US or wherever, they always, when they refer to Jamaica, they always refer to, first of all, either Bob Marley or marijuana or Usain Bolt. Those are the three things that they always, no, and reggae music. So 4 things that they always link up with. And you know, it's always funny, people always ask me, especially on my channel, like where to get a spliff. And honestly, it's the worst person to ask. Cause
yes, man.
They always ask the same thing too.
Yeah, they asked me yesterday when the whole bus come up on top them, man, up a reggae part, man. You have to put this nice one. Yeah. They ask, alright, make it see. They ask me, boy and boyfriend, they need herb, then it's go. And I say, no. Una come find up on our roots and done, man. Ask see man pan road, man, you know, must see rats, so you can't come with us to come look your bird, you know, we did be hungry now. I pan road, are you cake on the road? It's not you can't come and feed at the shop and then you say they don't have nothing to eat. Are you wrong? You leave food at street and come a bush come look food? Man, that's tough. Man, I know how to do that, brother. Yeah, too much ganja rat say, you don't have none. So yeah, man, me have the tree of life. But no like the dry stuff where you want. But when you see me, see herb, you know, that's why you come ask it. Yeah? Yeah.
So like, you know, I always wanted to just see somebody actually doing it real life. I mean, my uncle's a Rasta man. Him used to burn weed. I don't know about now, but I don't recall ever just sitting with him and just vibing and just watching the entire process. So that's, you know, cool. But today we see people selling herb like already pre-rolled. And if it's one thing that I know, people always say like, don't buy pre-rolled spliff.
No. They put coke and cocaine in there and enough man, it fuck up, you know.
Exactly.
Just so me not deal with that. But especially when you go on 9 Mile, a Bob Marley.
Yeah.
9 Mile. Them times that with Bob Marley, you see the guy them out there hustle. When you take them ganja, they can't charge you any money for it. But you don't take them stuff, you know.
Yeah.
Sometimes when I go back, man, the boy want $1,000 into slip, you know. I tell to the people, them, you see it, you can't do that. Don't take no slip from them. Through that ganja legal now, so everybody can carry ganja, you know, if you go see a man. I grade and push up slip over there.
Yeah.
So everybody in there could carry a house or herb, you know.
Yeah.
Good. So I don't know how them the girl they didn't carry any.
Let's see that. Make the pot the fire. I'm not sure.
Come on. Don't throw some water in it. This is hot grabber.
Yeah.
Hot grabber. Wait there. Can come. Hot grabber this, man. Put in your split so people if you don't want natural grabber. You know where it come, you know. Natural grabber. When I go deal with my dog, you come back.
Yeah, man. So yeah, if you don't come and so, and if you guys, you know, are what you call, if you believe in the smoking of, you know, spliffs and stuff like that, and you come and say, no, say I get it the real way, you know, the natural stuff, them.
I put the box.
As my could say, no F down. What's kind of cool though, I do have a brethren that I go link up with, because I spoke to him about 2 months ago, and he said he has a little greenhouse or whatever the case is, you know, where I can go and, you know, just see how, you know, marijuana can be grown or whatever the case is. I've never seen that for myself personally. Just coming here is a blessing as well to actually see, you know, a different strain of marijuana as well. You know, it's, you know, how I live my life is just to kind of interact with different kind of persons and have information. I'm not a weed smoker by nature, but just, you know, information, because, you know, when you're learning more about tourism or, you know, just about your country, it's good to have that information that if someone asks you, I mean, you might not do it, but you know or you understand, you know, the whole concept and the whole process of stuff. So yeah, that's the vibe right now. We're just chilling a bit and Mokko slightly with the dog food. Them dog guy live high life with a grace mackerel, them dog guy eating. Make you know that.
Grace Jack mackerel.
Yeah, see that Grace Jack mackerel, big up on yourself, Grace.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Ras Kitchen I give look about between dog.
Yeah, man, dog him have to eat too.
And one woman say, you're mad. Look for me yesterday and say, you're mad, man. I said, the woman say, I go back there so I can stay with you. I can't stay with you, I go look. I said, the woman say, I give the dog, man. Fucking thing take too long. The woman say, you know, I give them all bully beef, you know. The woman say, bully beef and cornmeal or rice and sitting here got to give your dog. Rasta, no talk so. And tin mackerel, no talk so, people will kill you. You got money and feed your dog when high and they never even eat, then they sitting there.
Some people don't know, so sometimes you have a dog, you know, them mean a lot to you, you know. That them not understand them things a dog does, you see me?
Yeah, man.
But from there, the last couple hours, I realize you love your dog. Them.
Yes, sir. But last night, I come up with biscuit, I never eat.
Yeah, I see I eat them.
Yes, sir. They know that too, you know. A bit like that treat me, give them a night time, you know.
Yeah.
That's a windy one. I think I want to.
I food. I meal. With dog and tin mackerel. I meal. I meal. Oh.
But then I play shirtless like me and Ras Mokko too.
Yeah, man.
So I'm gonna change this camera because it's getting windy. So I'm gonna put one with the mic on and then me and Ratty get to some drone flights. Alright guys, before I forget to say this, if you have anything that you think is worth showing or worth promoting for yourself, or it's like a business that fits into soy vlogs, meaning like, you know, it's very rootsy, it's very natural and stuff like that, don't be afraid to like send me an email. But don't be a joker. I don't like, you know, trying to work with jokers. Like, if you're serious about it, like, just link me up, and if it sounds feasible for both of us, I will come and do it for a fact. I mean, someone linked me the other day about going to a farm. If you're watching this video, I don't know, because they linked me and said like I could come do a farm tour and do a farm to table. I still haven't heard back from that person, but a type of experience like that I would have loved to do, because it's a great way to show, you know, what's really happening here in Jamaica.
And then move on.
When the drone pick up everything.
Yes, sir.
It's going fat then,
that
you
little
know?
white something you put at the end or so. Paper, whatever.
Black it, man, like a cigarette. The tip, you know?
Oh.
Just lick it just like a cigarette, you know? Tip that. Nothing past the blackage. Because once it past the blackage, your stomach can get hurt. Whole heap of bad neck or team. And not taste good.
Okay. Oh.
So we always black it. That no dust, nothing no come to your lungs or nothing fuck you up, you know?
Oh, I know where they find down. They find the laptop now. You don't know.
That man don't miss with the road and the spliff in a one go, you know?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, with some people sometimes. Cause I have a friend that tried to show me one time with about 10 times she rolled it up, you know.
So you're not my ramp, man. Ras now, you know, Ras is licking so fast and ready to smoke him out and sitting, you know. Ready to get stick long time, not try to stick with ram it and... You got no time to look one ganja to wrap it 10 times. When you wrap it 10 times, I fire. I fire, go to the fire stick there, right, not try fire stick there.
Real natural fire stick.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. I remember you have one like that.
Mm-hmm. Because you the fire, and the fire can work too, you know?
That man don't play, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so I have a question, like as a Rastafari, like, you think weed have like a special purpose in other religion there, or it's just something where just habitual?
Well, not directly say it's a habit. A man just burn and sleep. And all a meditation. But you know, a Salaman grip it come off, you know.
Eh?
Yeah.
Meditate, no meditate.
Somebody pick it, I want pick it, get some ailment from it.
Yeah.
And when you take a shock, people start to smoke it because they know say half of the wise man grave, you know. So then say you smoke it, you're wiser. Some smoke it in wiser, some smoke it maybe in fuller, you know. So I think, and now, and really, people used to see a lot of madman, but every madman now. Them in say the madman, them in go get problem when the herb, when the ganja legalized at Jamaica. But me say, the best thing when ganja legalized at Jamaica. Because every madman will in corner when him black up in this thing, lay down on the roadside, and I do no much stupidness. And that me see. Now, even all the Portland, everybody, madman within cliff fall up, it drunking. If it even had to leave it drunking, me fall up. In a walk on the street like homeless like person, see a whole even in Kingston, they to me see them.
Yeah.
You then are getting in trouble if you walk So the marijuana, it calm them down, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
I think, well,
and again, I want to tell them, everybody smoke ganja, you know.
Mm-hmm.
And if you ask them where it come from and where it, and nobody can give an illustration, but everybody smoke. So man knows you have a Solomon grave, the wise man. Solomon grave. Yeah, man. A man pick it, he mean sick and get ailment. And now, the amount of bloodshed we run over ganja hands until now. And now them free it. And now them know say, oh, a Solomon thing them in a trouble. And a whole heap of people dead through ganja. Whole heap of people, man, dead through the same wisdom, yeah.
True.
Yeah, man. The wise man herb. So I want to know if you smoke it and wise like Solomon. And I want to ask you know, I'm going to hear me talk to Solomon grave, it come up. I know no for them never know Solomon grave. It come up, so you can repeat that now in your head. And like a Bible or whatever. And all when you don't know, you will know now. But 20 odd people smoke ganja and can't tell you no illustration about it, brother.
Sure, them don't know the story behind it.
Alright, sir. Young lad smoke and say, oh, ganja man, drugs man. And to money upon it, people sell it. And right now, money upon it. Every big man have it right now. You have license, you have everything.
That me I realize taking into a money making thing.
Yeah, money making thing and one time let me tell you no straight, I tell them straight, I 18 months for one clip like big ganja clip like this.
In a jail?
You got prison for 18 months.
That's before it legalized.
Before it legalized. Man I go for 6 months and read the ganja field, man gone for 9 months, which me know all some Rasta them beat them. Then I live to do the 9 months of prison and then come back and dead.
Yeah.
Yeah, who are the same wise man herb here. And now we got that medicine. We get that do all kind of something, we no big belly boy, you know. You know watch it, you know. We no prison Rasta for it. We no do all kind of wickedness. We never know say we don't want trouble Rasta herb. Have a Rasta it. But you even go to university there.
Them teach
about it and you see it up there enough plant up there. One time it couldn't go so. Everywhere now. And everybody got a right to carry 2 ounces of herbs. Good. Chop the rest of them. And
so you get that cut there when?
1971.
Yeah.
When me this a rasta then no longer on this. And me say what? I told me I have to go turn back. Then tell me to get injection. Me no take no injection. Then say if I stitch it, me no stitch it. Me take ganja hash it, because it spoil the vein, you know. It cut the vein, you know. Then say me no stitch it, the vein I will get fucked. And me never stitch nothing. Me go back in the mountain when me little young natty dread and take the ganja water, the chalice. But me a burn all the time and the hash is out of it. And put in there and rub in it. And so till I see it well, it well, it cheat upon yourself.
Heal up.
Yeah, I eat well it man, see that bust it on yourself, brother. To yourself, brother. You mark there?
You see it, man.
Wicked damage that me I tell you, my friend.
Alright guys, so we're gonna wrap up this video right there. Right now we're gonna hold our fresh go down to the river. Yo, I've been waiting to do that for a long time. But anyway guys, remember to see things, love, nature, adaptation, and always remember, keep the link.